Welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to deploy an ASP.NET Core Web application to Microsoft Azure in just 3 simple steps. By the end of this session, you will have your web app running live on Azure App Service. Before we begin, make sure we have these pre-abilities. Visual Studio with ASP.NET Core download installed, an Azure subscription, the printer works fine, and either .NET 6 or .NET 8, preferably an LTS version. Lastly, a basic understanding of ASP.NET Core. Here is an overview of what we will do. Step 1. Create an ASP.NET Core web app in Visual Studio. Step 2. Set up Azure resources. Step 3. Publish your app from Visual Studio to Azure. A few quick tips before we dive in. Always use an LTS version for better stability. If you are testing, start with the Azure Free tier. Visual Studio's published widget makes deployment super quick for beginners. And finally, if you plan to make frequent updates, consider CI/CD for automation. In upcoming videos, we'll take this further by enabling continuous deployment using GitHub Actions and Azure DevOps pipelines. And we'll also securing your web app using Azure AD. So that's a high-level overview. Now let's jump into the live demo where we actually build and deploy an ASP.NET Core web app to Azure. If you are ready, let's start with the step 1, creating our app in Visual Studio.